Oh, I just threw right now into them weeds. Oh, get over here on the swimmer. Oh, get him up, get him up, get him up. What am I going to do if it's a giant fish, man? I'm going to lose him because I'm not going to be able to get him up. That hurt. All right, bud. Let's get this out of you. How you got it in you? Under your lip? I see it, I see it. Got it. Whew. See you, bud. Thank you. Didn't think I was going to catch a fish right here because the water is so high, I don't even have nowhere to stand. I'm standing on a rock, up on a ledge, like an idiot, but usually I'd be standing down there, have a whole little area to stand on. Not today. Come on. Oh, yeah, there we go. Got snagged. I got it off. Oh, and I got right onto a fish. Oh, I did have a fish. At least I'm catching some fish right here. I don't know how I'm going to get them up, but I mean, we're putting it to them, I guess. Like, they're down there. Make sure I didn't lose my phone like an idiot. I'm just going to go right around here. No, come on. Come on. I knew I was going to get stuck right there. Knew it. Nothing I can do about it. Except for change baits right now. Let's try this guy. We're going to throw what we got. We got the bird on. Not a lot of weight, so he's not going to sink really fast, but I mean, nope. Come on, Biggie. Nobody wants to see the bird, huh? Delicious bird. Nope, don't even look like it. Oh! Probably gonna just go after this, hit another couple different spots. I need some more weight. This ain't enough weight. That current is just going. That's one of my favorite spots over there. Oh, I just saw a carp jump. One of my favorite spots over there to fish. Alright, let's switch baits up. Alright, we walked down a little. We were down over there, but there was really nowhere to stand, so came right here. There's plenty of room right here to stand. And there's some like calm water, eddy right here, so I mean, if there's fish, there should be some right here, right? You would think. Let's go right over there. Let's come right over. Oh, I think I just got hit. Oh, I just got hit. Came back for it. Oh. All right. Get over here, bud. Oh, he hit it. And then landed and came back for it, guys. Woo! He's crazy. He's still right there, too. All right, he's out of here. Woo! That was a crazy fish right there, guys. You catch a smallie on the spinnerbait, it's always a pretty good size. Whew. See if we can get another one over there. I doubt it, but we'll try. Did I get hit or did I hit a rock? I don't really know. Put my phone right here because I'm going to step in the water. Don't want to wet my phone. I think I'm gonna step in the water. I was gonna walk to that rock, but it doesn't look like I can actually. So I'm just gonna stay right here probably. Oh, I just had one hit it right there. I saw him. I salted him. Watch. Oh, sorry guys. I don't know if you can see, but oh, I got hit again. Maybe it's just a small fish, but I'm gonna sit this down here, right there, and then I'm gonna sit up here on this rock so I can get a vantage point of what's going on. All right, that's better. That's way better. Oh, just had one. Just had one, guys. Dude, that's just like that's just proof you could run a spinnerbait through the shallowest water. There's a line right there. I kind of want to see what's on it, but I don't want to waste my time on it. All right. Throwed enough of this spinner probably, because I'm telling you, as soon as I put on a plastic lure, bottom stop. Oh, what did I tell you guys? Oh, that is a giant. Why'd you go by the rock, dude? Come on. Come on. Why do you feel so big? Oh, he's a good size. Whew. Come on, dude. Chill out. He's going crazy right now. Whew. Oh. Yeah. Nice little fish right there. He's all striped up. Striped up little bass right there, guys. Whew. Whee. All striped up. Got him on the spinnerbait. He was right where the water comes around. He was probably waiting right there for to ambush prey right there. But he ain't that fast. He looks all emaciated, right? He's just sitting right there. There, he's out of here. Woo! Had to jump down and get him. Free up the spinnerbait. What the heck's going on with my spinnerbait? It's all twisted. Oh, all stuck. All right, there we go. Got it out. Whew. Sorry, guys. That took a little bit longer than expected. Guess we'll climb back up again. Oh. Come on, buddy. Where you at? Nope. Let's do one of them nether throws over here. Oh, that was a throw right there. Let's see if we're right. See if they're waiting over there. Probably just got lucky too. I don't know. How many of you guys think getting lucky is like I said, definitely a part of fishing. Whee! Oh, he's a good one. Oh. Come on, dude, chill. All right. All right, dude. Check him out. Whew. Another one for the, geez, he's going crazy. Here, you can have it. You got all kind of sores on you. Disgusting. Holy cow. I thought I was filming, and I was not. And I got him wrapped up in that other line that I was talking about. I should have got it when I had the chance. And now it's all wrapped up in, sorry guys. Now it's all wrapped up in this bass. But it's okay, we can get it out real quick. It doesn't even look like no thick line. Whee! Look at that guy right there. That is a good bass. Right on the crankbait, the square bill. Definitely got him on the square. Oh, almost got myself. There we go. Whew. All right. Let's get this guy back. All right. Woo-wee. Check it out, guys. Right here on the snake. Right at the spot. We got him, guys. Woo-wee. Pretty nice little bass right there. About to get him back. Woo. See you, bud. Come on. Do I got one? I think I got one. Oh, he's gonna jump. Oh. He jumped. Oh, he's stepping out. He's gonna jump again. Oh. It's a little guy. He had moss on him, that's why he seemed like a giant. Fighting like a giant. Oh, you just threw my Cinco in the water, dude. Thanks. Jeez. Whew. Thanks for throwing my Cinco, bud. Jesus. We gotta find something else now. Think we can catch something on the bird over here? That'd be funny, huh? Hook set on the bird sucks though. Maybe I don't have the right hook. It needs to be like a EWG or something. I don't know. I had them and they didn't work either. So I don't know what to say. Because they both sucked. Alright. What do we got? What do we got? Oh, he's on the rock. Come on, get out of there. Oh, little smallie. Fighting like a giant though. River smallies fight like giants, guys. That's all I gotta say. Whew. Fighting like giants. It's thumping. It's thumping like it don't got no business. Let's see what happens. Oh, I got him. Oh, you guys see that? Oh, get over here, dude. Giant old bass right there. Not a super giant, but that's a good bass. All right, dude, chill. River bass. He's so feisty, all rivered up. Whew. Check him out, guys. Right on the snake. Get back in there, bud. I seen him come from the depths and just grab it. Right from the depths. Nope. Try one more time. Oh, right over there. Absolutely not. Where do I want to throw? Oh, that was a far throw. That was a good one. All right, guys. So that's the end of the video. If you made it this far, I really appreciate it, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. It really means a lot. Woo! Till next time, until the next adventure, guys. Back on the snake. Let's go!